Hello guys and be welcome to the channel. Tonight we have two new Gaahleri products. One is the new metallic water-based acrylic ink markers, and the other one is the airbrush organizer case. Let's have a look on what these two products are and see if we can make use of them or not. So come with me. Let's have a look. So here we go, my friends. Today we have these two products, as I said early on. These were sent for free from Gaahleri. Although this is my opinion and solo my opinion, under no circumstances am I obliged to say only good things about it. So if we don't like it, we don't like it, and we're gonna say it. If we like it, we're gonna say that we like it. So we're gonna start with the marker pens. We have 10 of them on this little box. You have the flashy gold. You have the dark gold, dark steel, gunmetal, red copper, scorch gold, I don't know what that is, but we'll find out, zirconium black, it's a gold black, aluminium, and not aluminum, stainless steel, and dark iron. So I'm assuming I'm gonna grab a little bit of styrene here. This is plastic, so I'm assuming we have to shake it fairly well, and then we have to press the tip and it's starting to come out. There you go. So this one is the dark iron. Looks good. Nice thin trace, so you can get some details out of it. So the dark iron looks good. Now I just want to see the more flashy ones, the dark gold. Let's check how the dark gold works. So we notice that I haven't tried these pens yet, so I'm trying first hand with you guys. It's coming out. So they work good. And the thing is that they don't mix up with the other colors, which is good. So let's have a look, but you guys know the feeling. I'm quite enjoying these ones. Let's shake it again. Shake, you know. This is the flashy gold. So it should be a brighter gold. Let's press again till it starts coming out, and there you go. You have flashy gold on here, which is good. Look. The thing I like these ones is that they have a very thin tip, which probably will allow us to do some nice details. So I'm impressed with it. Let's try another one. The stainless, no, I want the aluminium. Where is the aluminium? Dark steel, no. I want to see how good the aluminium is. Gunmetal, dark iron, flashy gold. We had aluminium, didn't we? So dark steel, no. Red copper, no. Scorch gold, no. I could swear we had, yeah, aluminium. There you go. Let's see how good it is. The aluminium one. So let's press it and wait a little bit. I think it starts coming out. Yeah. It looks fairly decent for an acrylic pen. I quite like them. Let's see closer. I think they have a decent coverage and the colors are very vivid and very good. So impressed with them, to be honest. I'm not gonna test all of them, but I'm happy with them. With these 4 that we tried the metallic, the dark gold, the flashy gold, the aluminium, and the dark iron, and they work a treat. I like them. I will be using them on future projects. I have a couple of cars that I want to do, and this will be great to add details to them. So stay tuned, because I will be using these ones, and they work fairly well. And top of that, they have the fancy box, which I thoroughly enjoy. So there you go. Happy day. So for me, the pens are a plus. I like them. They are really good. The other thing they sent us was this organizing box. So as you all know, Gaahleri have their airbrushes, and they have spare nozzles, spare air caps. So they created these so that you can keep track of it. So, but you're gonna say, oh, but how the hell am I gonna know? They have created these photo etch markers so that you know what you have. So all you have to do is bend these and stick them on here, which is fairly good. I like the idea. And then you can do on here, like you can see the thing on here. So you have your place for the nozzle, for the needles, 2 of them, metal tag, nozzle, nozzle cap, air cap, 3 of them, and another nozzle cap. So if you have an airbrush with multiple stuff, I think this is a must to have. And then you can have, this is designed in multiple layers, so you can take this layer out as well and have stuff on here. So I'm very happy with it. I will be organizing my airbrushes because I have far too many at the moment, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna organize myself, but I quite like this. This is a very decent idea. You can have 2 needles, 2 nozzles, 2 nozzle caps, and 3 air caps. So yeah, for me, a must-have, because you can, let me find my other Gaahleri airbrush. So if you come in here, I think this one have it. Does it? Yes. So as you guys know, they come with a spare needle and a spare nozzle cap, which I don't know how I'm gonna take out, but we need to take it out. Come on. They are tricky as heck to come off. So there we go. Let's have a quick look. So you can have your spare needle in here, yeah, your nozzle cap in here, your nozzle in here, and all you have to do then is just get your tag. You have 2 of each, 05, 05, 038, 04, 045, and place it on here. So let's say that I think this one is 0.5, so let's get the 0.5 out. So if we get 105 tag, so one of those, eventually on my own time, I will get there. There you go. Let's close this nicely again. So we grab a set of tweezers. All we have to do is turn and turn, and then put it here. So you know that it's a 0.5 nozzle cap and needle, and then if you want you can do in here for the top ones and have the same one. It's a very good way to set up and for you to know and keep track of what we have. All in all, I think most of you might think that, oh no, this is unnecessary, I can track myself, but I think this is a very good idea, and I truly love it, to be honest with you, because then I can close, have it on my drawer with my airbrushes, and I know that everything is tidy up on here. And because parts are interchangeable between Gaahleri airbrushes, this will do. Happy with that. So let me know, guys, what you think on the comments. If you like the video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. You're gonna get more notifications for videos. If you don't, please let me know why not, so I can improve my content. Thank you ever so much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye for now.